Hello Word, listeners, and welcome back to another episode of Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of words. Today's word is cash, a two-level noun meaning money in physical form. We all know it. We all love it. Well, most of us do anyway. Cash, as in C-A-S-H, refers to money in the form of coins or banknotes, as opposed to checks, credit cards, or other forms of payment. Think of it as the tangible representation of your hard-earned moolah. So, how do we use cash in everyday language? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You can say, I paid for my coffee with cash, or do you accept cash? Or even I need to withdraw some cash from the ATM. It's a fundamental word when dealing with transactions and finances. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for cash. A close synonym would be money. For example, instead of saying I need to deposit some cash, you could say I need to deposit some money. Another synonym, though slightly less formal, is funds. You might hear someone say he needs to raise funds for his new business, which is similar to saying he needs to raise cash. Another one is currency. It could be used like the local currency is not accepted everywhere, similarly as cash is not accepted everywhere. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms. One prominent antonym for cash is credit. While cash is physical currency, credit represents borrowing power. For instance, I don't have any cash, so I'll have to pay with credit. Another antonym is debit. This refers to money that is electronically withdrawn from your account. You might say, I use my debit card to pay for groceries instead of cash. Also, check is a good antonym, especially in the US. You could write a check instead of using cash. Thinking about usage in everyday life, cash comes up in countless situations. When you're at a local farmer's market, you might need to use cash because some vendors don't accept cards. Or perhaps you're splitting the bill at a restaurant and someone says, I only have cash. You might also hear the phrase cash on delivery, which means you pay for something when it's delivered to you. You could ask yourself, do I have enough cash? Before buying something. Let's look at some more usage examples. The store offers a cash discount for paying up front. She keeps some cash hidden in her sock drawer. He won a lot of cash at the casino. I prefer to use cash because it helps me budget better. Cash is king is a common expression, meaning that having readily available cash is very beneficial. She was rewarded a big prize in cash. I found some cash in my old coat pocket. We need to manage our cash flow carefully. A cash register is a vital part of any business. So, to summarize, cash is a two-level noun that refers to money in physical form, like coins and banknotes. Synonyms include money, funds, and currency, while antonyms include credit, debit, and check. It's a word we use frequently in daily life, especially when dealing with payments and transactions. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the word cash. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn English vocabulary too. Don't forget to create your own sentence using the word cash and share it in the comments below. I'd love to see how you're using it in your own language journey. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.